Hello everyone, welcome to Life Means More. Friends, in today's video, I am going to focus on how to create a daily schedule to organize your day. Humans are creatures of habit. We crave daily routine and function best when we have clear safety rails on our time. A daily schedule puts you in control of your day. It gives you the structure and discipline you need to make the most of the hours of a given day. When you have a plan to stick to, you get more daily work done and ultimately inch closer to your goals. Productivity is never an accident. It is always the result of a commitment to excellence, intelligent planning, and focused effort. That means you can keep your mental energy level for the tasks that really matter. So here are 7 practices to help you to create a daily schedule to organize your day. Number 1. Prioritize your values. Practically, that means before you can create a daily schedule that helps you accomplish your goals and live the life you want to live, you have to define what you value. An understanding of these things will help you pinpoint priorities that make sense for a work-life balance and ultimately organize your day accordingly. As a first step, carve out some time to think about what's important to you. Make a list in order, then find ways to incorporate those things in your daily and weekly routines in time blocks that honor how important each value is. Number 2. Include a morning routine. Why is morning so important? The first thing you do after getting up ultimately sets the tone for the rest of your day. If you regularly make your bed, meditate, and eat a healthy breakfast each morning, your brain will learn to pivot from rest mode to productivity mode quickly, and you will probably be in a better mood. The goal is to kick off your day by doing the same thing. Ideally, that's something that both aligns with your personal values and prepares you for the task ahead. Number 3. Designate a most important task. Your day inevitably include essential tasks that don't propel you toward your goals, like taking phone calls, hopping into meetings, answering emails. Always define what you absolutely need to accomplish every day and incorporate them into your daily schedule. Every week, when you plan your schedule, consider your goals. Number 4. Schedule time for things that normally distract you. Your daily schedule could include time frames where you can process your email or social media accounts 2 or 3 times a day. The important thing is to treat these items like any other task, just another line item on your daily schedule, rather than allowing them to infiltrate your day. Number 5. Include breaks. There is a scientific evidence that the occasional pause can actually enhance productivity. For one thing, pausing from time to time can boost your ability to think creatively and strategically. Sometimes the brain needs a change of scenery to come up with fresh ideas. Scheduling breaks throughout your day also provides something to look forward to and end in sight. Number 6. Avoid multitasking at all costs. Here is the thing, multitasking doesn't work. Studies show that your performance suffers when you are hopping between 2 tasks. Not only do you take longer, but you end up making more errors. Plan to do just one task at a time and don't try to squeeze in anything else. For example, when planning your day, lump all your meetings into one block of the day or devote an hour or 2 to responding to emails. Batch working like this means you work more efficiently, wasting less time overall. And number 7, use a daily schedule template. Lastly, make your life easier with a daily schedule template. Try out some free downloadable templates like daily to-do list template, weekly goals template, project template, and distraction list to help you schedule your day and help with time management. So these are 7 practical tips to create a daily schedule. So today's video ends here. Do like and share the video and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Keep watching. Thank you.